Hello guys, welcome to Online World YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to explain on some new MLM business plan. So that I am going to explain this plan in paperwork also. So stay tuned for that for more information. So I will just explain this PDF which is given by the company. Okay, the company name is Magas Evershine Market Private Limited. It is a company which is based from the Karnataka state, Mangalore district. Okay, we have three packages in this company. So before going into that packages, if you guys have not subscribed our channel, just go and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notification of our future videos. We will give more information how to make money through online works. Okay, just go and click on the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. Okay, this is the company which is provide three basic packages. Okay, we have three products in this company. This is the product based company and we can easily believe in it. So I am giving this information based on my personal experience. I am not belongs to this company at all. So I am just invested this company and I am doing some work in this company. Okay, so that online business having so many risk, so you can go through your own risk. Okay, I am just explaining the information which I know about this company. Okay, we have three products here. First one is natural plus tulsi drops. We have more benefits of these products they have given from the company. So next product is divine UPS Satavari Rasa. This is the second one product we have from this company, and there are more benefits of this product as we can observe here. Okay, you can read those things. I don't want to explain those things because these things are given by the company. I don't know whether these information are true or not. Okay, next product is Mas Pran Rasa. Okay, this is the information given about this product. Okay, now let's talk about the packages we have in this company. Okay, we have three type of packages as I told before. First one is 500 rupees package, second one is 1000 rupees package, and third one is 2000 rupees package. Okay, we have three packages. Like that means we can invest 500, 1000 or 2000. This is the basic amount. Okay, okay, we will explain one by one. Joining package, we have 500 package in the first package. Okay, if we purchase 500 rupees package, we will get natural plus tulsi drops product to our home. We need to give our information while registration, so that they will send their product to us through Indian Postal Service. Okay, this is the joining package of 500 rupees. We have the income is through binary only. So as you can observe here, we have binary income of 250 rupees. Okay, one BV package, that means we have ceiling limit of 750 rupees per day. Okay, I will explain about this ceiling limit and how we get income through this company in the paperwork. That's so that you can easily understand. Okay, just you remember that if you purchase 500 rupees, then we will get a product called natural plus tulsi drops, and we will have ability to earn 750 rupees per day. Okay, this is the first package. Then we move to second package. Okay, we have second package of 1000 rupees. Okay, in this package we will get divine UPS Rasa. Okay, this is the product we will get. Okay, then we have a ceiling limit of 1500 rupees per day. Please remember these things. Second package, if we invest 1000 rupees, we have a ability to earn 1500 rupees per day. This is the second plan. Just remember this thing, and I will explain in paperwork how to earn money. Okay, next third package is 2000 rupees. We will get Moss Pran Ras. So this is the product we will going to get if we join through 2000 package. We have a binary income of 250 rupees for each package, and the daily ceiling limit is 9:9 pairs. That means we can able to earn 2250 rupees per day through this package. Just you remember that we have three packages. First one is a 500 rupees. We can earn 750 rupees per day if we join through 500 rupees. Then we can earn 1500 rupees if we join through package of 1000 rupees. And just remember that if we join through 2000 rupees, then we can able to earn 2250 rupees per day. Okay, this is the packages we have in this company. Okay, let's talk about binary system. Okay, as you can observe here, package one is a U. Okay, then if you think that if you invest 500 rupees in this company, then this is person you Then these are the friends will invited by you, and these friends will be invited by the friends who referred by you. Okay, this thing will be explained in the paperwork next. So you will understand this thing very easily. Okay, let's move into paperwork. Okay, I will explain about this earning method in the paperwork. Okay. I have already told that we have 500 package and 1000 package and 2000 package. Okay, I will explain with a 500 rupees package. Okay, 500 rupees package. Okay, the person if you, as I told here, this is you. Okay, you invested 500 rupees, then you will get one product from the company to your home door. Okay, this is thing you need to do first. Then you need to invite your two friends. The friend name may be A and your another friend name may be B. Okay, you invited these two friends to this company. Okay, then this friend will join through 500 rupees. Then this friend will join through 500 rupees. Okay, I'm just explaining about 500 rupees package. Okay, 500 rupees. Then this friend will also get one product. This friend will also get one product from the company. You don't need to carry over those products to him. Okay, the company will directly provide to him only to the through the Indian Postal Service. Okay, first you join to this company through 500 rupees, then you will get one product. Then you refer these two friends under you through sponsor ID. Okay, you will get 500. You will invest 500 rupees and get one product, and you will invest 500 rupees and you will get one product. Okay, after completion of these two plays, that means after the completion of these two referrals, you will get 250 rupees direct bonus. Okay, to your wallet. Okay, this is the thing. Next, the friend like you only, the friend you invited, right? A friend will be invited by you. Okay, the friend will also invite his two friends, like name will be C and will be D. Okay, so he will also invest 500 rupees like you, and he will also invest 500 rupees, and he will get one product, and he will also get one product through postal service to his home door. Next, the friend B, you will invite friend B, right? So friend B also invite his friend E and F. The name is given only alphabets. Okay, name may be whatever it may be. Okay, he will also invest 500 rupees, and he will also invest 500 rupees. Okay, so he will also get one product, and he will also get product. Then the total amount is, so as you can observe here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 members in this line. Okay, this is the second line. This is the first line, we have 2 members, and this is the second line, we have 4 members. For every 2 members from, that means if you have 1 member left and 1 member in the right, this is left and this is right. If you have 1 member in the left and 1 member in the right, that means your pair is correct. One pair is happened here. Okay, for 2 members, 1 pair. So you will get 250 rupees bonus. Then we have 4 members here. That means 2 pairs, right? So 2 pairs, that means you will get 500 rupees directly from these 4 friends. Okay. Then the C friend will also invite his 2 friends G and H. Then D friend also invite I and J friends, and E friend also invite 2 friends K and L. So F friend also invites M friend and N friend. So each one will buy 500 rupees, 500 rupees, 500 rupees, like that. Everyone will buy 500 rupees only. Just I am explaining about 500 rupees. Then if you can earn more, means you need to invest more amount. Okay. Then here we have 8 members. That means 4 pairs, right? That means 250 rupees, 250 rupees 4 times. That means 1000 rupees, right? You will get 1000 rupees here. So if this change will happens one day, okay, you will get 750 rupees maximum limit. Okay, as I told here, daily limit is 3 pairs. If the friends will refer more friends in a single day, then you will able to get only amount of 750 rupees in a single day. Okay, then if you invite more friends in a single day, then you will not able to receive 250 rupees from each pair. Okay, you will get only 750 rupees maximum if you join through the 500 rupees package. Then if you join through the 1000 rupees package, then you will get 1500 rupees daily ceiling limit. That means if the pairs, they may go 6 pairs, up to 6 pairs in a single day. Okay, if the below downlines, they may go up to 6 pairs. If 6 pairs matches in a single day, you will get 1500 rupees. That means that that goes like that. If you purchase 2000 rupees, then your ceiling limit will be 2250 rupees. That means maximum ceiling limit is 9 pairs. That means you can earn 22,500 per month if you join through the 500 rupees package. If you join through the 1000 rupees package, then 45,000 rupees will be earned. So 2000 package means 67,500 rupees you will earn. Okay, it will not stop here. Then those friends will also invite more friends like you. Okay, 2 friends. Then also you will get 16 members here, so that you will get around 8 pairs here. Okay, 8 pair means 2000 rupees. That 2000 rupees also get credited to you only, and your friends also get credited 2000 rupees here and 2000 rupees here, because their line also going below. Okay, that's how the marketing network is works. Okay, then it will also go like that. The more friends will invite, and the downloads will increases, and chains will also increases. Whenever you will have one friend in the left and one friend in the right, you will get 250 rupees bonus. It is a endless bonus. Okay, you will get 250 rupees at each time. Okay, if you have any doubts, then I have given my Instagram ID in the description, so you can come to there and ask me for the doubts, and you can join through this join for this company. This is the product based company, and you can completely believe in this. Okay, I am believing in the company, and I am doing investing. Okay, I am not promoting any company, just I am explaining the plan which is given by the company, and I am doing this one. Okay, if you have any doubts, then contact me on Instagram. Link is given in the below. Okay, the last thing is, if you guys are not subscribed our channel, just go and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notification of our future videos. I'll make more videos how to earn through online. It may be Evershine or whatever it may be. I will make more videos, more videos are only based on the personal experience. Okay, just go and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notification of our future videos.